Why 90% of traders lose money. My name is David Jaffe from beststockstrategy.com, and I teach my students how to make successful and profitable trades so that they can consistently earn money in the stock market. So I saw this video from Skyview Traders, and I actually think it's complete bullshit, because the reality is that I believe that 100% of traders who trade penny stocks or day trading or buy options or sell futures or engage in Forex, I think that they lose money, like 100% of them. I've never met a successful day trader or anyone who uses technical analysis, etc. And I actually have a pretty substantial pedigree. Like, I graduated from an Ivy League university with a 3.8 GPA. I worked as a Wall Street investment banker and completed $5 to $10 billion worth of transactions, and I did that for 5 years. But if you don't believe me and you want to think I'm bullshitting, then that's completely cool. Like, I respect your opinion, and I understand that not everyone is going to agree with me, and I'm not trying to change anyone's opinion. I'm just telling you what I believe at this specific moment. And what I believe is that not 90% of traders lose money. I believe that 100% of traders lose money as long as they are not following the strategy that we teach. And the strategy that we teach is you need to sell option premium if you want to have a long-term chance of being a successful trader in the stock market. And the reason is, it's just probability of profits, right? If you buy options, then you have a 30% probability of being profitable. So yeah, 3 out of 10 times you're going to earn, 50 or 100% on an option. But the reality is that people tend to be greedy. They tend to, they give into that greed. They tend to lose more than they win. And when you have something that has a 30% probability of profit, the more occurrences and the more time you make that trade, the more money you're going to lose. So when you day trade, the probability that you're going to make money on any one specific trade is probably around 40 or a maximum of 45% when you factor in commissions. When you use technical analysis, which you're essentially day trading, you're probably going to be profitable on 42 to 45% of your trades, maybe 40 to 45% of your trades. So you might misattribute the winning trades that you have to actually skill, when the reality is that they're just purely luck, and that's part of the expected return. So for example, you might win 40 to 45% of your trades, and then you might think that it's skill and that you're trying to develop a system to increase the probability to around 55 or 60%. But the reality is that you are not. You're going to keep your win percentage at 40 to 45%. And the more trades that you make, the higher probability is that you're going to lose. And yeah, you might have months where you make a lot of money. Just like if I flip a coin 1,000 times, there are going to be 10 heads in a row, and there's going to be a time where I get like 10 tails in a row, or maybe not 10, but there's definitely going to be, if I flip a coin 1,000 times, there's definitely going to be a few occurrences of 6 heads in a row, 6 tails in a row. I mean, that's just statistical probability that you're going to have those strings, and that doesn't mean that I am any better at flipping coins and having it land on heads. It's just the probability of profit. So the point that I'm making is the reason why 100% of traders don't make money is because they are not following our statistical probability and the probability of profit, which tells you that the only way that you can make money consistently in the stock market as a trader is by selling option premium. All of these people who try to sell you a product and they tell you to use technical analysis and look at charts and look at patterns and buy options, they are complete scam artists. So like the Jason Browns, the Tim Sykes, they're not profitable traders. They're just selling you a bullshit product. So the only way to make money consistently in the market is by selling option premium. And the reason why 100% of the traders do not make money is because the probability of profit dictates that the longer you trade something that has a probability of profit of 30 to 40%, the higher the chances are that you are going to lose all your money. This is David Jaffe from beststockstrategy.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video and to this channel. Leave a comment below. Anyone who leaves a comment, I do respond to it, and I'd be happy to help you. You can go to beststockstrategy.com, enter in your email, and receive $400 worth of free training. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm sorry for the baby noise in the background. My child just got back, and he's a toddler, and he's screaming, so I apologize for that. But hopefully you've been able to get some valuable information out of this video. And if you have any questions, I'm here to help you. Thanks again.